I keep on missing you. Slowly passing. Hey. I keep on missing you. Slowly passing. Hey.
Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Elma. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this look that was inspired by MakeupbyMario. He actually created something very similar on BebeRexha, and when I saw that, I think it was at the Grammys, and when I saw that, I was just like, oh my god, this is so pretty. Plus I love all her songs, especially the one with, I don't remember the name of the country, guys, but the Meant to Be. Oh my god, that song is like my jam. Anyway, I do hope you enjoy the look. If you do, please don't forget to give me a little thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and it allows me to know that, you know, you're feeling the videos I'm bringing out. And also, if you haven't done it already, please click on that little subscribe button. It is as satisfying as clicking on skip on an ad on YouTube. So, you know, just do it. Just do it. And when you have done that, don't forget to click on the little bell to be notified when I have new videos. And if you didn't know it already, the schedule has changed and it's now on Tuesdays and Fridays. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Without no further ado, let's just get right into it. Enjoy. Okay, so getting right into it, we're gonna go in with the MAC paint pot in soft ochre and apply that as a base so that, you know, all the eyeshadows pop. And then, as per usual, I'm gonna lock all that in with my translucent powder, and what that does is it helps any shadow you're gonna apply on top of it blend so much easier. On the eyes today, we're going to be using the Burgundy palette by KYLIE Cosmetics, and I'm first going to apply the color Beach all over my transition area, and I'm applying it with a fluffy brush because I really want that to be like diffused. Then I'm going to go in with the color Brick, and I'm going to apply that in my inner and outer corners. And the point here is to create some dimension. So we're going to go in with a couple of colors, apply them, blend, apply, blend. So that way everything looks, you know, seamless. So now we're going in with clean fluffy brush and I'm blending all that. The next color we're going to be applying is the color Burgundy, and again in my inner and outer corner, creating that bridge to link them together. And honestly, this look is super easy to do. You just have to apply, blend, link, apply, blend, link. Look at me having so much fun. To make sure that that center of the eyelid pops, I'm going to apply the paint pot again so that when I apply any glitter or anything like that, it's not altered by the darker colors. And again, I'm going over with Burgundy and Brick so that everything is blended and there are no harsh lines. For my center of the lid, I'm gonna apply the STILA glitter, and this is so easy to use. Like, ever since I got this, it just makes it easier to use glitter because I'm so lazy and glitter is so messy. But this is really nice, even though I wish it was a bit more multifaceted, but I'm not gonna hate. Anyway, I'm going back with the color Burgundy and blending the areas so like where it's connecting so it doesn't look harsh. To deepen my inner and outer corners and create more dimension, I'm then going to go in with the color Almond with a small pointed brush and really concentrate on the outer corners of my inner and outer corner of my eye. Does that make sense? Moving on to the face, we're going to go in with primer, and I'm going to use a Hangover X1 by Too Faced. Really love this because it's super hydrating, and once it's kind of dried, it has this like tacky feel to it, and anything you apply on top just sticks on it. Because I'm going to be using a stick foundation, I'm applying a little bit of Fix Plus to my face so that it's easier to blend. And for foundation, I'm using the Teint Idole makeup stick. Love this stuff. I actually prefer the Teint Idole as a stick foundation more than the liquid foundation. And then I went in with a damp beauty blender. I could have actually used a brush and had more full coverage, but I wasn't about to do that, so, you know, beauty blender.
so you can see my little imperfections here and there, but it's all good, you know. To be honest with you, I still don't know how I feel about this concealer, but it's the Smashbox one, and I applied it in all the usual areas, under the eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, and just blended everything out. And you see, like, it does cover, but I don't know, it's not as full coverage as I thought it would be. Anyway, then I went in with the translucent powder and set under my eyes and my top lip and all that. Then we're going to go back in with the eyes, and we're just basically going to repeat what we did at the top on the bottom, except we're not going to do the Hallo thing, and we're just going to keep it nice and simple and quite tight. I don't want to smoke it out too much because it's intense enough. For mascara, I'm going in with the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Really been loving this. Once this is finished, I'm probably going to buy this full size because I really love what it does to my lashes. Obviously, you could stop here, but you know me, I had to add some falsies. But first, contour. And I'm going in with a stick foundation in Mink by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I had a little like brush situation, and you'll see like on the other side of my face, I ended up using another brush because I was like, this is not cutting it. Anywho. Contour, contour, chisel, chisel. And then I'm gonna go in with a Candle Glow powder to set all that. And I really love this because I don't know if you can tell, but like it brings back light into the face. Like I don't know, there's something about it. And again, I'm gonna set all that before I move on to the next step. Ideally, I'll be using my Too Faced Hangover X setting spray, but it's finished. I swear I keep going back and forth, but stay with me. I'm now applying lashes, and these ones are by Icon, and they're in hashtag goals, and I really love it because they're actually like way thicker on the outside, and they thin out towards the center, so you can really see the eye look, and it gives me that beautiful elongated cat eye effect. And because, you know, that highlight wasn't enough for me, and I want to blind my date or, you know, whatever, my enemies. I don't know, I don't have enemies, I hope I don't. Anyway, I'm going in with the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture Diamond Glow Dust Powder in the peach. And can we, like, please, oh my gosh. And now we're going to go in with the lips, and I'm going to go in with the lip pencil by Bite Beauty. And this is actually like the most perfect pinky nude, but I did a little concoction and applied more to my lips because I wanted just to be glossy and beautiful and shiny. And for that, I'm going in with the Metal Matte by KYLIE Cosmetics in Hair. And as you can see, it looks really light, so I tapped it down and then used my trick. You know, I showed you guys this, you know what video I'm referring to. I went in with the lip liner by KYLIE Cosmetics in True Brown and Brown Sugar, and line my inner and outer corner so it looks, you know, more whatchamacallit, like prettier. more true to what I was looking for. And then I topped it. I've been loving glosses these days, and I topped it with this gloss by Dose of Color, Desi and Katie collection. I think it's called Over the Top, and I was just like, oh my gosh. And I finished all that up with some illuminating setting spray by Cover FX, and there you have it. Look at that. It's all done. I didn't show this on camera, but I did apply mascara on my bottom lashes. Don't forget to do it, okay? I always do. But I do hope you enjoy this video, and if you're going out on a date, enjoy. If you're not, enjoy as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.